I wanted to share what Dr. Negrin, who works in a hospital in Spain, recommends for staying healthy during the coronavirus pandemic. There are 14 suggestions, and I've taken all of them seriously for myself and my family. 1. Drink lots of hot liquids such as soups and teas. 2. Every 20 minutes, take a sip of warm water, so if the virus has entered your mouth, it will go into your stomach where the gastric juices can neutralize it. 3. Gargle with an antiseptic and warm water, vinegar, salt, or lemon. 4. Any detergent or soap kills the virus, so shower every time you come in from the street and wash your clothes daily or hang them in the sunlight to neutralize them. 5. Wash metallic surfaces daily. 6. Don't touch handrails. 7. Don't smoke. 8. Wash hands every 20 minutes with soap that foams. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, including your palms and knuckles and wrists, and use paper towel to dry. 9. Eat fruits and veggies. 10. Take zinc and vitamin C daily. 11. Take off your shoes and coat at the door. 12. Don't eat or drink cold things. 13. If you feel a sore throat coming on, use the methods I just mentioned, since the virus stays 3 to 4 days in the throat before going on to lungs. 14. Your pets cannot transmit or get the virus.